In an ever-increasingly stressful, distracted, and busy world, it has become more important than ever to make our mental health the top priority. And so, what is one of the most powerful and scientifically proven ways to move from a state of stress, anxiousness, frustration, anger, upset, to one of relaxation and peace? Deep, conscious breathing, or in other words, meditation. It's no wonder giant tech companies like Google and Apple are not only encouraging their employees to meditate, but also providing the time, resources, and money with which to do so. Studies have shown that meditation can help improve productivity by up to 30%. Yes, tech companies understand on a very deep level that happy and mentally healthy employees lead to more productivity and creativity that can help the company and its people flourish. If you think meditation is just not for you, if you think that there just aren't enough hours in the day for you to find time to sit in silence, think again. Meditation doesn't take time from you. In fact, it's quite the opposite. It gives you more time, as it helps you be productive and focused on what matters to you, so that you can learn amazing new skills with zero to mastery, get hired, and build your dream career. My name is Juana Dragon, and I am a creative director, writer, photographer, and world traveler, and I have been a meditation practitioner for more than a decade now. My practice has improved both my personal and professional life immensely, and I am so thrilled to share my joy and passion with you. It takes just 30 days to create a new habit that will serve you for a lifetime, which is why this course is centered around a 4-week challenge, which will take you step by step through starting and committing to meditation. You will also learn about the fundamentals of meditation and have access to customized practices and techniques designed to help you deal with situations that you'll come across during your career, so that you can be a more effective student, be more confident in interviews, be more productive in your job, and help you go from zero to mastery in your life. I'm so honored you're here. Your journey to a healthier, happier, and more present you starts now. I'll see you inside.